Hi, I'm Ryerson, and my school is St. Andrew's School of Delaware. This is my final project, final milestone of my lanterns, and completing this milestone means that I have just basically finished my project, and all of them, as you can see, are sound reactive right now. So, uh, essentially, if I make a sound, it will react to it. As you can see, I'm like talking right now, and it's changing its colors and frequencies. And what else I can do on my soft computer is that I can change the lighting mode, which if I try this one, as you can see, I just changed the mode and then it lights up with a shorter frequency and with different colors. I can do that with another one, which is like this. And in this mode, you can see that only a few lanterns light up. It's because this mode uh, kind of depends on the volume I'm inputting, which is how loud I'm making the noise. And since I'm not talking loud enough, it's not letting all the lanterns light up. So how this thing works is that my mic on the computer is my input for the software, and then the software, when I make a sound, would like transcribe it into commands, and then the commands would go on to pass on to the microcontroller, which is right here. You can't see it, but there's a microcontroller here, and the microcontroller distributes the data to each of the LED rings, which is in each of the lanterns, telling it when to light up and what color and how bright is it to, that when it lights up, which is how this thing essentially works. Challenges I faced during this milestone since my previous one was that the software was kind of complicated to use at first because there was too many inputs. I don't know why my computer has possibly 19-ish inputs, but not all of them worked, only like some worked. And also that the output, which is the color modes, is like not all of them work as well. So this one is one of the few that works. And there are some others which it took me a while to figure out which one does and which one does not. And that was probably the biggest challenge. This milestone is, I would say, not as complicated. And my next step would be to add some add-ons since my big body part is finished. I'm planning to add a sensor, which is a PIR sensor, and it detects like your motion. So if I wave, then it will light up, just like how this is reacting to sound right now. And I'm trying to add a battery because this thing now relies to a power supply, and it's not very convenient to carry around. So I'm trying to modify that with the battery. Also, I'm adding some mirrors like on the bottom of my lanterns because I think it would reflect the light. Because now I don't think it's bright enough, honestly. So I'm trying to modify that situation by adding some lanterns to reflect the light. So yeah.